Hi, it's Adam Kent here, CEO of Enado, with BiteSize floor plan. Now you've got a choice with Enado in terms of the way you serve the UI up to the client. It could be through a conventional room or zone-based basis, or it can be through a floor plan. So with the floor plans, what it allows you to do with Enado, you can set a floor plan up as your backdrop. So you can see here that we've got a floor plan for a typical bar. Now you can be quite exotic with the layout, all depends on the stock image that you provide. But you can see on here, we've got a video wall, we've got screens 5 through to 11 there, and screens 12 through to 18. Now one of the great things about Enado that you will have seen previously is you can have video preview. So that means that on the UI I can actually pull up the cable box and see what is on it before I actually switch it. So you can see here, if I switch to DTV1, you can see what it's actually showing, and then you can decide what you want to switch some of your screens to. So we've also got the presets on here that I've talked about previously in terms of the standardization of the channels available in that bar, and there could be more of them. So if I wanted to change screen 5 to DTV2, I've just done it.